Hey guys, what is up? My name is Courtney, and on this channel, we talk about how to make money online, how to start affiliate marketing, and overall just money topics. So, if you like that kind of content, please hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so that you get notified when I release a new video. Today, we're going to do a review of the website Prizerebel. You can use this website starting today to make money online. All right, so let's go through this. Levels that you can get, you're going to start at bronze. Then you're going to go to silver once you've made $10. Then you've gone to gold once you've made 45, then 100, then 150, okay? You want to get to at least gold so your prizes are automatically processed. Okay, you also get a special bonus at the beginning of the month, 1, 2, and 3%. And you get a prize discount 1, 2, and 3%. I'll go into that shortly. Next, let's go into the rewards because everybody loves the reward section. There are literally tons and tons and tons of rewards for this site. There's PayPal, there's Amazon, there's Cinnabon, Kroger, Belk, Bye Bye Baby, Moe's, Chavorsky's, World of Warcraft, PayPal, Kroger, Apple, restaurant, a Visa gift card, Safeway. You just keep scrolling, and there's gift card after gift card after gift card. There's usually tons of gift cards. My favorite is PayPal because it's cash. You can also look through the categories on this side as well, or go from 1 to 5. Amazon gift cards, online games, PayPal, or testimonials. Okay. I will show you my rewards history because I like being fully transparent with my viewers. My current balance is $2.02. Every 100 points on this site is $1. Points earned today, 0. Points earned yesterday, 21. Points earned this month, 29. Points earned this year, $47.30. Lifetime points is $530.86. Rewards claim 94. Total referrals 94. Today's referral points 0. Okay. Total redeem this year $46.75. Total redeem last year $60.26. You guys can use this site daily to earn extra commissions. This is where you put the promo code. This is your inbox. Make sure you check this daily. It has different surveys targeted just towards you. So make sure that you check that out. Also, go to the Earn tab. You can do surveys. You see all these survey providers. All right, you go to offer walls. You see these offer walls up here. I love doing offers. It's one of my go-to things. You can also watch videos. Okay. And what I do is I log into this and I let videos run while I'm at work, while I'm at school, while I'm running errands, whatever, because I want it to make me money while I'm doing my stuff. Okay. We'll go back to the home page. You can also do raffles, lucky numbers, be a contestant. You can invite friends and family, referral stats. I'll show you that in a second. You want to go here and download your Chrome extension. Okay. You can also set your reward goal. It'll tell you how close you are by this green bar. So I have 298 points away from my $5 gift card code. My $5 PayPal cash, I should say. The link for this site will be in the description. Sign up with that link to get a bonus. Let's go to my referrals because sometimes referrals work and work and work, and sometimes they don't. So, total referrals to 21.9 points, 70 clicks. Okay, so I had 3 click yesterday, 1 sign up. I made 21.9 points. Okay. I have the other day I had 1 sign up, but no points. So people sign up and don't use this site. You should sign up and use this site every day to get gas, groceries, pay a cell phone bill. If you do $5 a day, 5 times 7 is $35. Okay, $5 times 30 is 150 a month. Okay, so you have no excuse. Get on here, do a couple offers, watch some videos, do a couple surveys. You got your $5. If you have any questions, please drop them below. I'd love to speak with you, help you out. I don't think this site is worldwide, um, just by what my viewers have told me. But sign up with the link in the description. Start earning money for Christmas. Start earning money for gas. You can do this every day and earn yourself money to not be broke. We're trying to pay off debt. We're trying to get to a new level. Okay? So make sure you use my link in the description. I hope this review was helpful. I hope you subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you're notified of any upcoming videos. I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Without you, there wouldn't be a channel.